success and failure are both automatic, and that's why a lot of poor people, they look at the rich and be like, how did you do, and they start hating on them because they're putting in so much hard work and it looks like they're doing things that are effortless. You want to know why? Because they are. What's going on, Our Family? In this video, we're gonna start switching up. I'm gonna start doing educational videos. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely let me know in the comments, please. I want to see what you guys think, what type of content that I should be creating for you guys. So within this video, I want to help people achieve success, financial wealth, abundance, and all these things. And if I could just do, like, spread my testimony and the information that I have, because I work with multimillionaires hands-on. So if I could spread a little gem, why not? If I could change my life, might as well change yours too. So let's get into it. Actually, let's talk about our future isn't that far. Our future isn't as far as we think it is, generally. Our future is within the next minute, the next hour, the next week, the next day. And we may subconsciously know about, Richard, I know that, but you aren't utilizing it to the best of your ability. Rich people utilize that. Successful people utilize that to their advantage. You get what I'm saying? Like, if my future is tomorrow, then I want to be and this is the thing, because growing up, we're taught, one day I want to be like a police officer. One day I want to be a teacher. One day I want to be... And it takes time for us to grow up. And we keep that. We're conformed to that. We're comfortable and stay within that mindset. That's kind of crazy to say. And we don't think that our one day is within the next month, that next week, that next day. Like, that one day I'm going to be a millionaire could be next month. You get what I'm saying? Like... And when you really position your life in that sense, bro, you will achieve so much success and so much achievements, because not only are you realizing that it's possible, you are pushing your date. Like, I told myself I was going to be a millionaire in the future, bro. Now I'm telling myself I need to be a millionaire now, and I'm starting to see the changes, bro. Like, and when you really, like, okay, say I want to be a millionaire, I'm putting in like a time frame. Say it says, like, I'm going to be a millionaire in 10 years. 10 years. Within those 10 years, I would do the things that would get me to that millionaire point at 10 years. But if I say I want to be a millionaire by next month, within that whole month, I got to do exactly what I have to do to become a millionaire. And there's no, it's like, I only got a month. I got 4 days left. No. And then you get to that point. Even if you don't get to that point, you're moving at a way faster pace than you would have throughout those whole years. You'd be like, I'm not going to be a millionaire till like 10 years, 9 years. I'll do that in like year 2. Or I'll do that when I wake up. But if you set your goals on a closer level, and you realize truly that your future is literally in the future, the next minute, the next hour, the next second, the next day, the next week, whatever, you really position yourself, and you position yourself in a whole different lane. Like, it's like we're about to race. We're about to race. Me and you, we're about to race. If me and you are racing, I have one arm tied behind my back, and I can only use one leg. I guarantee you I will beat you. You're like, Rich, how would you beat me? How would you beat me? Because I'll be driving and you'll be running. Like, that's not fair. Okay, you can have the car. I use both my legs and I'll still beat you. Rich, how? I'll be in a jet. I'll give you the, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's these different mobiles that we utilize, and one of our best tools that we could use is our time. And that's the thing, because the 9 to 5, they really program you to devalue your time. Like, you're giving your time for little chump change, in all honesty. And that's how they program you. You don't even realize it, because it's what you do. You're just consciously, you're just doing it. You don't even realize, and that's why a lot of poor people, they look at the rich and be like, how did you do this? And they start hating on them, because they're putting in so much work, so much hard work, and it looks like they're doing things that are effortless. And we want to know why? Because they are. Like, success and failure are both automatic. That's a video for another time. Let me know if y'all want that video. Now I'm gonna give it to y'all. Actually, let me know though. And genuinely, they look at them their success is automatic, but it's the different things that you they have the same things that we have. Genuinely, there's nothing different. Some of them aren't even that much smarter than you, but they're able to utilize the tools and the resources to get them wealth. They have money, we don't. You can get a loan, mess up your credit, get it fixed or something. You did that to yourself. You get what I'm saying? There's so many different ways of generating wealth, and they have the same time, they got the same Like, like it's the same things. They have the same things as us. They're no different. It's just the little things that they take and they switch and they utilize to their best advantage. So you should be taking this and utilizing this to your best advantage. Use your time wisely. Think of your time wisely, for you can accomplish all things. You are made in the image and the likeness of God. I hope this video helped somebody. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. I might create a series. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.